Hello my friends and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen, the home of comfort food. Okay, so today I'm doing another pasta dish. I'm actually doing spaghetti puttanesca, and I'm sure some of you know this, but I'll say it anyway, that the actual meaning of puttanesca actually means, or pasta puttanesca means a tart's pasta, or a prostitute's pasta. Why they call it that, I have no idea. I mean, there is a little bit of chilli flakes in it, so that could mean it's a little bit spicier. I don't know. But the good thing is, you don't have to be a tart to enjoy it. Anybody can enjoy this dish, and it's super easy to make, it's super quick to make, and it's super tasty. So, let's get on with it. Okay, so we'll start by putting some hot water in the pan. Let it boil, and then we'll add the pasta, spaghetti. By the way, while I am waiting for the water to boil, I just want to point out that if you do like this video and you want to see some of my other pasta videos, I will put a link to a playlist at the end of this video, and you can go and check that out. On there I do a whole load of different pasta dishes, some traditional, some a little bit different, so please go and check that out. Okay, so the water's coming to the boil. I will pop the pasta in. Yay! It always looks impressive. It isn't, but it looks it. Okay, so we'll push that down into the water and let it cook away. If you can get it in there. Ooh. Okay, and while that's cooking away, we will get roughly 2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And I'll put in, while it's cold still, I will put in the garlic, because I want the garlic to cook slowly and not overcook. That's 2 cloves of garlic. As usual, I'll put all the ingredients in the description below this video, so you can check them out on there. But I'll tell you what to go wrong anyway. Now then, to those 2 cloves of garlic, I want to add 1, 2, 3 anchovies. And I want those to cook in with the garlic. Now, if you don't like anchovies, don't worry, you will not know that these are in the dish. I love anchovies, but what will happen, these anchovies will melt down into the sauce, and you won't know they're there, and they will just add this wonderful, wonderful umami flavour. And it is absolutely wonderful. So, a little too hot, so I'll just take the pan off and let it cool down a bit. We don't want to burn this garlic. There's something adorable about garlic that's just cooked. But there's nothing worse than overcooked garlic. Okay, back on the heat. As you can see, these anchovies are actually just melting. They just melt into the sauce. Okay, and into that I will put 1 tin, 400 gram tin of chopped tomatoes. Just look at that lovely red colour. Fantastic. I'll let that cook down a little bit before we add the rest of the ingredients. It shouldn't take long. I'll turn the heat up a little bit. Okay, that lovely tomato base is cooking down, so we'll add the rest of the ingredients. First of all, a pinch of, I'll say half a teaspoon of chilli flakes. A tablespoon of capers, lovely capers, a few black olives, and a little bit of salt. You don't want to put too much salt in because the salt in the capers and the anchovies. colour's lovely. Look at that black with the red. Wonderful, a real standout dish. Okay, the pasta is actually cooked, so I'll just cook this for a little bit longer, and then we'll add the pasta. In we go. Oop. I tell you, the smell that's coming off this dish is fantastic. Now the pasta isn't 100% cooked, but we'll just finish it off in the sauce, as I always do. Oh, look at that colour, look at that colour. That is fantastic. Just get my tongs. That's it, my friends, that is the dish done. Now what I'm going to do now is just chop up, I've got some sad looking parsley, so I'm not actually going to use that. I'm going to chop up some basil leaves, and then we'll sprinkle them over some parmigiano, and that's it, it's done. Oh, fantastic, just the best pasta. Simple, quick and tasty. Can't ask for more than that. Okay, my friends, how simple and quick was that to cook? I mean, it's virtually wasn't much longer than the time it took to cook the pasta, to be honest. And just look at it, it just looks fantastic. Quite tarty, isn't it? I don't know why it gets its name, but I don't care. I'm going to dig in and let you know what it's like. Oh yes, that was lovely. You can taste the chilli in it. It's not hot, but it gives it a little kick, a little spice, and the lovely deep flavour that comes from just having those 3 anchovies in it. It doesn't taste fishy at all. You wouldn't know there's anchovies in it. Oh, I could have another go. Oh, it's a classic pasta dish. It's a simple pasta dish, perfect for a midweek meal. Everyone has time to make a dish like this. Give it a go and let me know in the comments below how you get on. And I shall see you in the next video. Oh, by the way, take a look at the playlist that should be up above my head, I think to the right somewhere. And have a look at my other pasta dishes. And all that's left to say is please like, comment and subscribe. If you can do that, that would be fantastic. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love, my friends. Peace and love.